Okay guys, this is going to be a very brief how-to use one of these small electronic balances in order to find the mass of either silicon, tin, or lead for our periodic properties lab. It's going to allow us to find the mass more quickly than if we were using a triple beam balance, but I do need to explain how these are used. So first of all, your first step is to just simply turn the balance on. Okay? In the video, it might be a little hard to see the reading. There it is. Okay, it says 0.0 right now. Okay? Well, what I'm going to measure is either granular or powdered, and so I need a container. So I'm going to put my container on there, and notice that the reading changes to like 2.0, 2.1. But I don't want to count the mass of the paper cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this right-hand button with a little T on it. And that resets the balance to 0. So the balance understands we're not going to count the mass of the cup. All right, I have some sand right here. Let's say I need to add 40 grams of sand. I've put my cup on here. I've re-zeroed my balance so that I'm only counting the mass of the sand. I keep adding. Of course, I cheated a little bit because I know that this is exactly 40 grams. Okay, and I'm going to measure out 40 grams. Okay, so if you'll put the cup on there and then hit the T, the re-zero button, it's not going to count the mass of the cup. It'll only count what's in the cup. Okay, now you're not going to actually be doing anything with sand. That was just my example so that I could show you how to find the mass. For your lab, I think you're going to need to do 8 grams of silicon, 25 grams of tin, 35 grams of lead, but it's all going to be done the same way.